So now the bar chart is completed. Now what I will show, I will actually draw the line chart. Okay, we can do one thing. We can just get the help from the mark self. In the mark self, we will have to select the chart type. Suppose I am selecting the line, then it is just changed in the line chart. Okay, okay, but let me one thing. uh, Let me, I'm just undo it, and I'm creating one sheet for the line chart itself. So suppose uh, I'm selecting shipping date, okay, in the column, shipping date in the column. Okay, shipping date in the column, I can see here the only year I can actually view only 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18. But the field, the date field means ship date. Why it is date field? Because the left side it is showing like calendar. Okay, so I can assume that it is a date field, and because of date field it is okay. It is showing me like year of the ship date, okay. So here one function is actually working here, which is the year. Okay, year of the date field is means only the year it is showing. So I can have the option to change it, suppose year to quarter. So you can see here quarter. I will have the option to change month. Okay, here you can see the all months. I can change it is the format of day. Okay, so it is showing the all the day, okay, till 31. We can have more options, like we can see the weekdays. Okay, week sorry, week, not weekdays, week wise. So here the week wise and also the weekday. Okay, yeah, definitely it is the weekdays. So these are the formats that we can use. And also these formats look like, yeah, okay, quarter, okay, month, yeah, week number. So anything you can have the customs option also. So whatever you can in month, year. So only month, year will come. Okay, January 14. Okay, so every, whenever you want, whatever you actually need the format, you can actually change the format like your requirement. Okay, so you will have the format option. What I have done, I right click on the date field and click on the format, and I am getting a option to change the date field, date format. Okay, so it is showing only the automatic, no issue. It is only showing the automatic. Okay, okay, no issue. Mm, if I show only the ship date, okay, if I show only the ship date, SHIP ship date. So it is showing me the ship date only. So what I have done, I just double click on the ship date field and type the ship date manually, and then press the enter. So it is showing me the ship date, actual date. Okay, so what I can do, I can use the rotate level. So rotate level, okay, the all levels are just 90% rotate. So 90-degree rotate. Okay, so here you can see the dates. You will have the option to change the format. So you can also have the custom means whatever you want the format, you can draw it yourself. DD and then MMM. Okay, three character of the of each month, and then one phone, and then YY. So now I have designed my date format. It is my actually favorite date format. So it is just like that. So here we have actually we learned how to work with the date field. So I think you are very much clear on the date field format changing. So if you have any doubt, then please send me a comment in my just next to the video. I will obviously reply it back. Okay. Okay, so now I will go for the line chart. So I will show the profit. So here again I am collecting dragging the profit in the row cell, and now I can see the how the line chart is showing. So here the shipping date is just annoying. I'm selecting the month. Okay, well, okay, sorry, 1 minute. uh First term, month here, a month here. Okay, so you can see the line chart. So I'm renaming uh, the sheet name. So here I'm showing that profit. Sorry, it is shipping date wise profit. So now it is shipping date wise profit. Saving it.